driving up to the trailhead for Telescope Peak. It was surprising to come around the corner and see this. It's like I'm in a different country or something. These huge kilns just here, built in 1877. Went in a way, in 1877, this would look like lots of third world countries. That's been your history lesson for today. Right, I'm a few minutes into my hike up Telescope Peak today. It's a 12-kilometer one-way endeavor. Just behind me there, a view into Death Valley, a state in which I don't want to join today. So the best of luck to me. Rounding the corner here, I think I have my target in mind. There we go, Telescope Peak. Fortunately, it's still a few hours walk from here. All part of the adventure. There's Telescope Peak, just far in the distance still. Just stopped for a little rest. And I can see the Sierra Nevadas way over there. Mount Whitney, the highest one. Incredible. And there's not a soul on this hike except for me. Oh, I'm so shooken up. First, I lost my drone while I was trying to take a video, and then I spent the last 2 hours combing the hillside trying to find it. And now I got to the spot, and just as I was there, I slipped and I broke my finger. And it was so bad, the bone popped out. I'm just, oh, it hurts even to look at it. I can see the bone in my finger. Oh, I don't know what to do. I'm in the States. I do have medical coverage. Oh man, I'm so scared. I guess I gotta try to hike back to the path and then get back to the car. This adventure, I think, is over. Oh man, it's still so far away. Got a few hundred meters left to go up. And it is so hot. And the altitude, I'm above 3,000 meters now. Whew. Really slow steps. Here we go. Oh, I'm just cresting the summit here of Telescope Peak. And I am just absolutely shattered. Oh. I can barely enjoy it. I'm so tired. It's a long way back. But what a view. 12 kilometers. It's a long way to walk out. And it's dawning on me. I really fractured my finger. I don't know what to do. Not in much pain, but I just don't know. 300 meters from the car. And I'm meditating on the word water. Water, water, water. I'm just so parched. Oh, for the last like 10 kilometers, I haven't had anything. Oh man. Oh yeah, and I fractured my finger. It was like when you rip off a chicken's wing uncooked. You just see that bone pop out. It was exactly like that. Oh.